Calculate VO in the circuit of figure. We have to find this VO in this circuit. Solution. First of all, we will redraw the circuit. Then let us assume the direction of current. Let us say this is current I. Now we will apply KVL. We will start from this point, suppose. So minus 16, then plus VO. Then this will be plus, this will be minus. So plus 6I plus 6I is equal to 0. This VO is equal to 4 into I. So minus 16 plus 4 into I. 4 into I, or directly 4I plus 6I is equal to 0. This will be 10I. Minus 16 plus 10I is equal to 0. 10I is equal to 16. Therefore, I is equal to 16 by 10. This will be 1.6 ampere. Therefore, I is equal to 1.6 ampere. And we have to find VO. VO is equal to 4I. VO is equal to 4 into this current. VO is equal to 4 into I. 4 into the value of I is 1.6. 4 into 1.6. 6.4. 6.4 volt. Therefore, VO is equal to 6.4 volt. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.